Hi everyone, Marion Emberson here. As usual, I'm just going to dive straight in. I've not tried this. I don't know if it's going to work, but I've been watching a lady on Instagram. It's Rainbow something. I'll find the link, and I know she's on YouTube as well. So I'll find the link to that. She's an Australian lady, and she does this marbling techniques, and she's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And every time I flick through Instagram, I see her and I'm like, oh, that just looks like so much fun. Anyway, a little while ago I found these. I can't remember where I found them, but I'll try and dig my invoice out and I'll link that as well. They were on sale. Whether they're still on sale, I don't know. These are the Jacquard Lumiere. I don't know what they are actually. I haven't got a clue. Just says the Exciter pack. But they're little inks or whatever. I'm sorry, my brain's really not with it at the moment. And I thought, do you know what? I'm going to try these with this technique. Now, obviously, you can tell I haven't opened them yet. I'm gonna do two versions, because I'll take that one out of the way. So I'll use the same colours, but I'm gonna do two versions because I'm sure, you know what it's like. I hate these packs. Honestly, they're ridiculous. There must be an easier way to get into. There probably is actually. Yeah, stop your moaning, Marion. There is. Look, you just do that. It's like a box of eggs, honestly. Oh, dear. Right, let's just move that out of the way. Let's get these out. Now I've cut it up and I've stopped moaning, because I can put them all back in again. Oh, they're all stuck. Okay, so let me just pull a couple off. So we'll have that, more of that, and let's just give them a shake so I can see. Well, they look quite nice, don't they? Well, I've got to go for that, haven't I? Because it's beautiful. And I'm just going to see if it's going to work. See, if I'd have known that, I wouldn't have cut that, and then I could leave them like that. This one is called Halo and Jewel colours. And this is the Lumiere and Neopaque. So, not sure what neopaque is. I've heard the word before, a long, long time ago. Right, let me just put them out the way. Okay, so I've got myself a couple of trays because I say I'm going to do two versions. I'm probably not going to do a finished card on this. I just wanted to do something really quick and just get it out of my head to see whether it does work. I had heard that you put corn flour into the water and that makes a difference. I don't know what that little thing is floating about. Get that out. So I've just mixed up a little bit of corn flour. Whether I've done the right measurements, I don't know. As usual, I'm gung-ho, go steaming in. So I'm gonna, right, think about this, Marion, think about, I've just got some watercolour card. I've got me, oh look, that looks a bit like it's got stuff in there. Let me just get that out. I don't suppose a little bit of glitter will hurt. And then I'm going to use these colours. So I'm going to open them up so they're ready. Take the lids off. And the next one. And the next one. Right, okay, let's just make sure that's coming out. Right, okay, that's coming out. Sometimes you have to pierce them, don't you? So I'm going to do card. And then I thought, you know, I've got these, like that I put my little doodahs in. I thought to myself, I could try and see whether it does that, which I think it will, because she does all manner of things. But what I want to know is it permanent? So I'll find that out afterwards. Right, so let's put some water in. I'm thinking, because I'm doing, this is probably far too big. Because I'm doing a card, I probably don't need a lot. And then I'm just going to, oh, Oh, I don't know if this is going to work because they've just sunk straight away. Her ones sit on the top. I wonder if that's where the cornflower comes. Look, I'm still going to do it. Let's give it a go. Blimey, this isn't... Beautiful paints though, eh? And then do a little bit there, there, and there. Right, now she, I wish I knew her name because it sounds very rude, just sort of, because it sits on the top. I mean, I've done this sort of thing before. I know I've got a video out there because I can remember sitting here doing this. I think with the Catherine Paula inks. And it didn't quite work to plan. So let me, yeah, that looks pretty pants, doesn't it? Let's just go like so. Have I got any tweezers? Yep. And then let's just, oh. Oh, okay. Oh, honestly, let's just go like that. Yeah, that's not very effective. I mean, it's beautiful. Do you know what? For a soft, cloudy look, it's absolutely beautiful. I don't like these bits. Now, if I just place that over it. Oh, do you know what? I'll put a cloth down and then that can soak it off. Now, I'm just going to put this out. Put this out of the way. Because I'm assuming now this is all mixed up. You can't use it again. I wouldn't have thought. So let me just get this out of the way. Oh, I'll just put it there. And now I'm going to try again. And this time I'm going to put the cornflower in. And if you can see, I've used this before. This might have been where I used the Catherine Paula ones. So, water. And I'll do a little bit more. Oh, got me big jug. This is just cold water at the tap. So more water. And then let's mix this up because it does start setting again, doesn't it? Oh, and we've got cloudy water. I'm going to put that in there. I don't think hers looks this colour. I think hers just looks like water. Well, let's try. Let's try. Okay. So, let's try again. Is it going to... See, I don't know. No, because it's just paint. It's just dropping straight to the bottom. Now, I read that you could use these. That's why I went and bought them. I'm glad I got them on sale. Oh, dear. I don't know. Oh. Oh, I'm so heavy-handed. All right, I'm going to have to investigate this and find out why. Because hers just sit. They are marbling inks that she uses, obviously, because she's a professional and I'm a cheapskate. Look, this is just going to come out. I wonder if it just needs more of a mix. I don't think so. I think I've boobed here. Yeah, that's pretty naff. Pretty naff. Let's just put that there. This isn't strong enough to just... See, look, it does that. But, that sort of is the effect that she gets. Maybe you need to let it sort of... Oh. Now, why is that sitting on the top now and it wasn't before? Does any... Oh, that one isn't. Maybe some colours are heavier. Let's just... It's very effective. Honestly, I really should try these things beforehand. Let's just go like that. See what happens. Pick it up. Oh, that's better. I mean, that's better, but it's still not what it should be. is it? Right, well, I'm going to go back to the drawing board and I'm going to go and watch more. I don't think I've seen any of her videos on YouTube. I just keep watching her on Instagram and she does them all really fast. And, yeah, I've gone terribly wrong somewhere. So I'm going to leave it there. This is probably the worst video I've ever done. Oh, but there you go. Can't really say much more, can I? I've just got a load of mess to clear up now. And yeah, I mean, I've got to say, I think these must be, there's one thing I do want to just try. Oh, that's just dripped in there. Let's just, oh, there's water everywhere. Right, let's get that in there so I can just move this one. Oh, whoa, out the way. Because there's just one thing I want to try. Because I don't like giving up on product. Let me just get that out of the way. Oh, this is so dirty. Honestly. Where's me doodahs? Hang on a minute. I mean, I would do it with me roller, me lint roller, and reuse that, the glitter on here, but there's so many other bits on here. It would not look nice. But let's just try. Just a quick try. Get a piece of card. And I'm just randomly gonna, oh, dot things. Doop. Doop. And that. Oh, there was loads of that one. Okay. Right, just pick up a little bit and randomly. Oh, there's a gold in there as well. Oh, okay, so I like this. Okay, they're not a waste. They're not a waste of money. Look at this. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, that is beautiful. Not what I thought I was going to use them for, but look. Look at that. Oh, look how shiny and shimmery they are. That's stunning. What a beautiful background. Just a sentiment on top. Bish, bash, bosh. You're done. Right. I'm going to go and do a lot of clearing up. I did like them in the end, but not for that technique. I mean, look, that's all. It's like, it's a waste of watercolour card, honestly. I'll clean this up instantly because I think it's going to mark as well. The other thing I was just thinking, stop it, Marion, stop. Urgh. Honestly, if I, oh, look, only because this is to hand, if I was to take this one, because if I mess it up, I mess it up. I ain't bothered. Right. And then go like that. I want something darker than this. So I might have to open the other one. Let me have a look. Oh, no, there's dark on here. Look. There's mauve green, like a brick red, pewter. Oh, I wonder what pewter's like. Let me just try a bit of pewter. I pronounced it right. I'm so common, sorry. I need more baby wipes. I always think afterwards, but I look at these things and I think I do all my clearing up with them, and then I'd like to let them dry and then just die cut flowers from them, like, and then you're not wasting it. Right, let's clean that off. Clean that off, and let's just see if this is going to work. So I'm thinking if I take a bit of pewter, and if I was to, I can either, this is my thought process, I can either brayer it on, or I could stamp into that. I'm going to see. Oh, it's a bit, it goes a little bit puddly, but we're not looking for perfection. So let me just come off here, like so, hold it on, push it down. I hope I'm in the camera view, yep. Ooh, carefully lift it up. Careful, careful, careful. Okay, that worked. Do you know what? I actually like where it goes darker around the edges. That does work. It might need to be a darker colour, little sentiment, and you're done. Okay, so it wasn't a complete failure, just a little bit. So thanks ever so much for watching and bearing with me. Oh dear. And I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.